Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, ticker symbol MYSZ. MYSZ, or as the Americans would say, ticker symbol MYSZ. MYSZ, a stock that has surged today, and we are covering the news for it. This could be our next breakout stock. You never know. This is how we end up meeting all our CEOs. We rank number one for nearly all the stocks we cover. I wouldn't be surprised. Within hours, we get picked up on this one now. There's a whole media of marketing teams that support businesses, CEOs and so on, who are now looking at our channel to feature. I was talking to some CEOs this morning before the show. We've got so much now going on. I wouldn't be surprised in hours this trends on our channel. Let's see if it does. MYSZ, what is it? Let's bring it to you now. It's up today, big. MYSZ engages in the development of measurement technologies. It provides solutions for e-commerce, apparel, shipping, we'll have a little bit more, and parcel delivery and do-it-yourself industry applications. The firm offers measurement apps including MySize ID, Box Size, and Size Up. The company was founded by Ronan Luzon on September the 20th, 1999, and headquartered in Israel. Interesting, this one. Ronan Luzon. If you'd like Ronan Luzon. If you'd like Ronan on the show, simply go to this company's website, do investor relations, email investor relations and say you are an investor, you'd like him on the show, and you never know, they'll find it. My guess is now there are so many marketing teams for these companies, they'll find me, but don't leave it to that. Make sure that you contact them and we can learn more about the company. What's going on today? Why is it up so much? The average volume is 6. The volume today is 16. So this is very interesting. If we've got enough short interest, this could be a short squeeze. Let me have a look for you. Price earnings ratio, negative 0.21. It's obviously not making money, but it is heading upwards. We did have a slightly disappointing earnings on the last call, but if any one of our members wants me to cover this on the next earnings, March the 31st, we can do that for you. All right, let's have a quick look here. This is interesting. Who else is buying the stock in Robinhood? SNDL, Tilray Brands. Very interesting range of stocks here. Nikola. Okay, so what we're seeing here is very high risk, very volatile stocks. Yeah. These are all ringing a bell to me. Oh, Mullen, there we go. A Mullen, a scam stock in there as well. So we've got extreme volatility here, which will mean extreme amounts of volatility. And as you can see there, trading positions. Yes, it's very much a trading stock. Let's look very quickly at the news. What's going on with it? Let me share with you right now. We've got MySize surges after 2025 revenue guidance. Okay, let's have a look at this news. This is just out. Flipping heck. This was literally out a few minutes ago. Nobody will have this information. That's why the stock has suddenly broken, and we're bringing it to you now. So MySize surged after the omnichannel e-commerce platform announced on Friday its 2025 revenue guidance. This is going to rank today on our channel. No question about it. This is going to be number one. We're going to rank for this stock. Tap the like button. Share this out. This is just a few minutes before the bell goes. Consider subscribing to the channel. Reach out right now. LucasAids, don't leave it to someone else. Go onto the website of this company. Email investor relations. Say we want you on the show. You are an investor and you want to hear about the company. This could be a big opportunity today for this stock. MySize shares were trading up 86% pre-market at 787. We are now 920 to 915. We are moving very quickly. The company projects a 2025 revenue of 15 million, considering the momentum fueled by advancements in technology and market expansion of its e-commerce platform, Orgad. The 2025 revenue consensus is 10.5 million. Additionally, the company expects 2024 revenue to come at 8.5 million, reflecting a 23% year-over-year growth. And as I'm talking to you now, I'm receiving a text from the marketing agency I was talking to this morning saying we are watching the show. Thank you very much for covering this stock. I'm literally looking at that right now on my phone. So get ready for some action today on this one now. This is what this channel is all about. The company said it believes it will be able to achieve further significant operational cost savings that will enhance enhance a flexibility in cash flow management and provide the foundation for continued strategic investment and growth. Orgad is undergoing a strategic shift from focusing primarily on North America to expanding operations across Europe. All right, let me look at some further information on the stock. Let me look at this here. Make sure that yes, this is good. We've got factor grades here now. Looking at our factor grades and ratings, you cannot access this unless you are with me on Seeking Alpha Spread. There are the links in the chat. Everybody watching, I'll post the links below in the description afterwards on the video. This is being made live, so I will post that later. You can get free trials, discounts to my premium service. So how I get this breaking news before anyone. Evaluation A+, that's up from A-. We've got growth C+, which has dropped from A. Profitability D-, no improvement there. This company isn't making any money. Momentum A-, that is up from F. Revisions B+, slightly down from A-. Okay, Wall Street are saying it's a buy. Quant is saying it's a hold. Seeking Alpha analysts aren't even paying attention to it. We've got no forward PE, of course. We've got short interest, 3.85. So today what's going on is not a short squeeze. It's not a short squeeze. However, what it is good news. So that's very interesting as well. Now, this is a 5 million market cap. Very, very small company. This show, not intentionally, because remember, I only own the S&P. I'm not here to pump and dump stock, but I am here to bring great news for my members. This show is big enough to move $100 million stock. We've seen it happen multiple times. This market cap is 5. So get ready for a huge move today on this stock once my video goes out. No question, no surprise. Expect it to happen. It's already happening. Okay, so let me look at more information on the stock. Let me go over to this. It's very quick, just before the bell goes. We've got an intrinsic valuation of 592, but we are saying it's undervalued because it hasn't yet refreshed. This has happened so quickly that that isn't correct at the moment. That will refresh in a few moments. It's happened just so quickly. It's not had time to react. Revenue at 9.6 million, and you can see how we've had an S curve and projections aren't in yet, but September 24th, 9.6 million. We are expecting it to go up, so this number is about to jump. Operating income is up 24%. That's about to jump upwards. Net income -4%. That's about to jump upwards. In financing cash flow, down 61%. Investing cash flow, 53,000. Operating cash flow up 18%. Let's scroll down here, and 7 million in assets. Very small company. Companies like this can really move quickly. 7 million assets, 2.6 million in liabilities. Long-term debt, 177. No issue with debt and so on and so forth. Good ratio from assets to liability. No issue there. So the balance sheet will be okay. If I scroll down the balance sheet, it's okay. See, it's not great, not amazing, but it's not going to go bust. So you can buy it without any issue of that. What about profitability? Well, it could have been a lot worse. We say it's not making any money. 32 actually isn't as bad as we thought it was. Considering where it is. Exceptional 3 years revenue growth, positive gross profit, ROE is increasing, ROIC is increasing. So some good news coming out. Let me go back to the margins. Very important this here. 44% gross margin. So if we could hold the top line, we'd be doing all right. However, we are losing money on the net margin and the operating margin, but that will improve. You can see how much worse it was just a few years ago. Dramatic improvement. FCF margin is negative 39%. ROCE is negative 63%. ROIC negative 84%. ROA negative 50%. And ROE negative 88%. This is breaking news, breaking stories. We will rank for this on our on our channel today, on YouTube. On YouTube Global today. 28% downside from here, says Wall Street. Worst case scenario, 27% downside from here. But remember, this is just before the news is out. So this will dramatically change once the bell goes and the new information filters through. No inside trading, nothing going on there, in or out. No news coverage. No one's talking about it. We're the first ones to be talking about it. Watch out. This stock is going to move violently today. Because it's going to go out on our channel very shortly. So what I will do is I will end the show in a few moments and actually send everyone to the extra channel and then bring everybody back as I can put this video out, because this needs to go out as quickly as possible. So I'm making this during a live show, but I'm about to put it out immediately as a video. Expect this to move a lot today. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description for everything and that you need. Over here, I will create a MYSZ playlist, or everything to do with MYSZ, earnings, CEO interviews, you name it, is bound to happen, will be up here. And down here, I shall put my full alpha spread playlist of all the stocks I've reviewed. This is not a review. This is just a quick news item. The fact we've got this information so quickly, I wanted to bring it all to you of this stock moving. All right, until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.